Oh my gosh. Hey, no. Bodie, come! Bodie, come now! Come on! Come on! Now! Now! Bodie, come! Bodie, come! Come on!
Hell no.
Stop, get him. Go, come on. Good boy. Come on.
So this is Rambo. He's been away for a little while, but we actually had some questions in the comments a few months ago about Rambo when he was going to return. So I'm here with Rambo's owner. What can you tell us about Rambo? Where did you find him? How old is he? What's his personality like?
Rambo, he's 2 years old now. Got him when he was 9 weeks. He's my second German Shepherd. He's my second German Shepherd after 12 years. I had a female prior. I was getting through Craigslist when I was at the gym. Saw him, a picture of him as a puppy. Decided to get him all the way in Palmdale.
So you said your second German Shepherd. What is it about German Shepherds that you like?
Ever since I was small, like the canine unit, and I always saw German Shepherds, and ever since then, fell in love with them. They're smart and very athletic.
Sit. Good boy.
I see this. What is his personality like?
Personality? He's very calm, but also very hyper. He's well behaved, shy at first, and then he gets comfortable and loving, always wants attention.
And I'm not sure how old is he?
He's 2 years and like 2 months.
2 years, 2 months. How much does he weigh?
He weighs 93 pounds right now.
Okay. Do you expect him to get larger or?
I expect him. This is gonna be like his full growth.
So obviously he's mostly black.
Correct.
Is that common? Because most people, they see like the tan or the fawn and the, you know, a little bit of black.
Yeah. Well, the previously before the him had all like the black and tan originally. Then I wanted all black.
Okay.
And then I thought I was gonna get more black, but his paw stayed tan.
Okay. Yeah, he's a beautiful dog. Thanks for sharing about him.
No problem.
So you're telling me he's actually your third German Shepherd?
Yeah, he's actually my third German Shepherd. The male I had before him was all black, pure black, and the female was black and tan. So when I saw him, I kind of saw a mixture of both of them.
Okay, one more question. Do you have any advice to anyone who's thinking about getting a German Shepherd?
Before getting a German Shepherd, make sure you're willing to put in the extra work, meaning taking out for walks. And not they will be hyper at home and will destroy property if they're bored.
Okay, so they're a high energy dog.
Correct.
Okay, and what, they're working class, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So if you decide to train them, they see it more as a game.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for that useful information. So before I close out today's video, hey, Bodhi, drop it. Sorry to eat that toy. Okay, so before I close out today's video, I wanted to get to a question from Naoko Okada. And she says, my 9-month-old husky is pretty good for following commands. He comes back at the park too until he really gets involved in the play, etc. And then he can't hear me. And those times are the ones you want him to come back. Laugh out loud. How do I even practice that? I'm scared to set him up for failure by keeping on calling him either. I'd appreciate any help. Have a great day. Okay, Naoko Okada. Bodhi, drop that. No, leave it. Okay, so the thing is, the way that I got Bodhi really good on recall, since you said that your dog knows recall, but he just gets distracted when he's playing and won't come to you, is what you need to do in a secure, non-distracted area. You need to practice your recall with your dog 30 times a day and do that for a month. That's what I did with Bodhi. That's how I got him so good on recall. Now there are still are some times where maybe the recall doesn't work out, but the vast majority of the times, no matter how distracted he is, he will come to me, and that's just using verbal. Also, Naoko Okada had another question. She asked, how old is Bodhi? Bodhi is 3.5 years old. Also, do I use the e-collar to train him? I did in the beginning. At this point, it's just vocal that I use on him. The e-collar is more like a temporary thing and a fail-safe. But basically now it's just vocal command, the tone of my voice. Like for instance, at the dog park, if he's really distracted, I will raise my voice to call him, because my vocal intensity has to exceed what the distraction is. So remember that on recall. Once again, 30 times a day recall. Practice it with him in a controlled environment. Your dog will get really good on recall. So thank you, Naoko Okada, for that question.
Hey,
ball, man.
She took our water bottle.
So do you have a hiking mind or what?
Huh?
Do you have a hiking mind?
I'm actually off all week.
What?
So I'm like,
Lady, get out of there. Here, get out of there.
like you see here, the idea.
Okay, so that's going to do it for today's video. I appreciate everyone watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you can, please press the thumbs up. Bodhi and I would appreciate it. Also, leave a comment. So once again, thank you everyone for watching. And Bodhi and I, we will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.